My name is Peter Warbis. I'm a lead animator at Framestore. I'm going to be talking today at Bournemouth's BFX Festival about our work on Guardians of the Galaxy 3 and specifically how to create unique character performances. So I started out right here at Bournemouth's National Centre for Computer Animation. I studied back in 2007, believe it or not. I then did a course in Animation Mentor and worked my way up through Framestore's internal animation program. It's amazing sort of how much things have changed and developed over the last few years. It's also sort of fascinating how similar a lot of the workflows are that we use today, that we have been using sort of 10, 20 years ago. And it's important to have that overarching theory behind your work and that understanding. So Bournemouth has a fantastic relationship with industry, and I think that's been built up over a long time. So obviously Bournemouth Uni, particularly with the National Centre for Computer Animation being right here, and it's through that sort of long-standing relationship with graduates coming up through into industry, and that sort of constant cycle that helps preserve and blossom that talent. And ultimately keep that creative hub alive. I think my advice to anybody who's getting started in the industry would be to start to think about which kind of job you want to specialize in. So whether it's animation or compositing or effects, really refine those skills and that specific skill set. If that's sort of something that you really want to get into, keep studying, keep pushing your own work, keep being really critical. And search out for that feedback. Look out for the ways that you can personally push your work to the next level.